Let the competition begin. Well, I hope we'll be a witness to a meeting full of marvellous moments. At the gates, red, Jarek Hampel. Blue helmet, Thomas H. Jonasson. White, Michael Jepsen Jensen. Yellow, Nicki Pedersen. The tape dries. A dangerous situation. An even start for the pack. Michael Jepsen Jensen drops into last place. Michael Jepsen Jensen bringing up the rear. Nicki Pedersen touches the air fence. Thomas H. Jonasson last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Nicki Pedersen, close on his tail, Jarek Hampel. Jarek Hampel takes the lead, elbow to elbow. What a thrilling moment. Michael Jepsen Jensen drops into last place. First, Jarek Hampel. Jarek Hampel takes the lead, entering the crucial last bend. Nicki Pedersen is in a class of his own. Well worth it. The next series of heats lie ahead of us. Gates. Red, Chris Older. Blue helmet, Matti Zegar. White, Nicki Pedersen. Yellow, Jason Doyle. Go! It could end up badly. A fall. Jason Doyle drops into last place. From the inner curb as follows. Chris Older, Matti Zegar, Nicki Pedersen. Tapes go up. It could end up badly. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. Matti Zegar has let himself be cheated by his rivals. Chris Older bringing up the rear. First, Nicki Pedersen. Chris Older bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Nicki Pedersen, right behind, Matti Zegar. Chris Older, last. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Nicki Pedersen in the lead from the gate. Nicki Pedersen touches the air fence, entering the last bend. Nicki Pedersen wheelies over the finish line. A race to forget. We're just about to start the third round of heats. Gates. Red, Nicki Pedersen. Blue helmet, Ty Woffenden. White, wild card. Yellow, Niels Christian Iversen. The tape dries. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. Niels Christian Iversen drops into last place. Niels Christian Iversen last. First, Nicki Pedersen. Niels Christian Iversen last. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Nicki Pedersen right behind. Wild card comes in front. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Nicki Pedersen in the lead from the gate. Entering the crucial last bend. Nicki Pedersen wins! A race to forget. Next series of heats lie ahead of us. Gates. Red, Troy Batchelor. Blue helmet, Nicki Pedersen. White, Christoph Kasperzak. Yellow, Chris Harris. Take off. A dangerous situation. Chris Harris touches the air fence. A fall. From the inner curb as follows. Troy Batchelor, Nicki Pedersen, Chris Harris. Take off. A lightning start for Nicki Pedersen, elbow to elbow. First, Nicki Pedersen, Chris Harris, last. Harris comes in front. Troy Batchelor bringing up the rear. Races at the halfway stage now. First, Nicki Pedersen, close on his tail. Chris Harris drops into last place. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Nicki Pedersen leading from the start. Troy Batchelor is overtaken, entering the last bend. Nicki Pedersen wins! Well worth it! Next series of heats lie ahead of us. As follows. Greg Hancock, Nicki Pedersen, Matsej Janowski, and close to the safety fence, Andreas Jonsson. Go! Andreas Jonsson touches the air fence. Not the best launch from the gate for Andreas Jonsson. First, Nicki Pedersen. Andreas Jonsson bringing up the rear. First, Nicki Pedersen. Andreas Jonsson bringing up the rear. Races at the halfway stage now. First, Nicki Pedersen. Matsej Janowski comes in front. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Andreas Jonsson drops into last place. Greg Hancock drops into last place, entering the last bend. Nicki Pedersen wins! Well worth it! The next series of heats lie ahead of us. As follows. Jarek Hampel, Ty Woffenden, Andreas Jonsson, and close to the safety fence, Nicki Pedersen. Go! A dangerous situation! A fall! A fall! From the inner curb as follows. Andreas Jonsson, Nicki Pedersen. Start. Shoulder to shoulder from the start. First, Andreas Jonsson. Andreas Jonsson drops into last place. First, Nicki Pedersen. Andreas Jonsson bringing up the rear. Race is at the halfway stage now. First, Nicki Pedersen. Andreas Johnson bringing up the rear. There's no party at all. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. Nicki Pedersen in the lead from the gate. Entering the crucial last bend. Nicki Pedersen wins. A race to forget. Who else will complete the lineup for the final? Gates. Red, Greg Hancock. Blue helmet, Jason Doyle. White, Andreas Johnson. Yellow, Nicki Pedersen. Take off. Elbow to elbow. An even start for the pack. First, Greg Hancock. Jason Doyle is overtaken. Andreas Johnson drops into last place. Elbow to elbow. First, Greg Hancock. Greg Hancock lost the place. Andreas Johnson bringing up the rear. Jason Doyle has let himself be cheated by his rivals. First, Nicki Pedersen close on his tail. Jason Doyle cheated his opponents. The situation changes instantly. Just one more lap and we'll know the winner. First, Nicki Pedersen. Entering the crucial last bend. Nicki Pedersen wheelies over the finish line. It was a fascinating race. Grand Prix victory for Nicki Pedersen. We've also got Jason Doyle and Greg Hancock on the podium.